not the wisest choice I'd ever made. First off, paint spraying is really fast. But in comparison to hand painting and rolling, after the masking, I do not think that it's faster. And if anything, I think it's more troublesome. Because you may notice I have a roller right here. That's because after I spray this, while the paint is still wet, I need to roll it. And the reason I need to roll it is for repairability later on. This is an apartment. The only reason I pulled out the paint sprayer is because there is no flooring. I am completely painting this suite, with the exception of the ceiling. So I thought, well, there'll be less to take off and stuff. And boy, did I make a mistake. I think the only reason I would own a paint sprayer is for, say, new basement developments. Someplace where before the trims and casings and things are in the door frames and stuff are put in, I can come in and paint. So there would be a limited amount of masking, because the masking gets kind of brutal. Let me give you an idea of it. This place has taken me a couple of days, and like, you end up having to mask off everything. Some mornings, if you didn't get it all masked and painted the day before, well, that's what you walk into, where you have to put it all back up and then pray that it's going to stay in place. The bathroom, I use it as my sort of staging area for my tools and stuff like that, because I hand paint those with a semi-gloss paint. But really, the amount of masking going on, I could have easily have cut in this whole place and painted all of the trim just in the masking time alone. So, unless you have a lot of labor, inexpensive labor, or you have a team of people, if you're one person, a paint sprayer, in my opinion, unless you're doing new homes or new basement developments, not worth the money. You'd be better off just to paint and roll. This has been Don Moody of handymanreality.com of Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Have a great day now.